Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I'll provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So first, hiring is conducted by the Coalition and they're hiring as a front-end developer. And here you can see the job description. Coming up to the skills required, like you should have experience in modern JavaScript, then experience using any front end technology kind of React, Vue, AngularJS, have strong communication skills and collaboration skills, able to clear discuss ideas, technical concepts and feedback. You should have the expertise in HTML, CSS, jQuery, then experience of using AI tools such as GitHub Copilot, OpenAI, Cursor, etc. Then experience using media queries, have the knowledge of CSS platforms such as Twitter's Bootstrap, ability to multitask on multiple projects and task at the same time, have great attention to detail and a higher organized work style. Then here you can read in more detail, right? So if you have this kind of skill set, then you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the CGI and they are hiring as apprentices. For category in which they are hiring is kind of software development. The location in which they are hiring is Bangalore. Full-time opportunity will be there. And here you can see the job description. The skills are required kind of thing: a cloud native development, database, Java, Python, and Unix. Next hiring is conducted by the Test MUAI and they are hiring as AI backend intern. Location in which they are hiring is Noida. Full-time opportunity will be there. And the internship will be for 12 months and full-time internship will be there. If you have knowledge about backend, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Buxer and they're hiring as apprentice for 2026. And here you can see the form is given. Fill this form, and if you get shortlisted, then you will get the further updates. The next hiring is conducted by the ITC Infotech and they're hiring as junior system admin. Experience is required, like kind of freshers can be applied for the job. Skills are required like IT support, networking, service desk, ticket management, Active Directory, data backup of service endpoint, security, system administration. So these kind of skills you must require. The location in which they are hiring is Kolkata and it will be completely work from office will be there. Then education is required kind of BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA, IT, networking, CCNA, and networking. So this kind of education background you must have. Face to face in Kolkata, and male candidates are required. And here you can see the email ID where you can share your resume or your cover letter, and you should be mention this all these things in your email while sending your ID. If you have this kind of skill set, then you can apply for the job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.